Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you a closer look at those items that were designed by the Stamps of Life but only available on the HSN website, and these items will be shown on the HSN March Craft Release Day. Alright, let's take a look. First, I want to show you that several of the sets come with the Stamps of Life adhesive sheets. These are wonderful. I don't know which sets they come with, so check the website to be sure. All right, let's look at this first set. This is called the Birthday Wishes Scalloped Edge A2 card, and there's always directions. You get this informational card, and then there's this little scan me area where you can scan that to check out even more ideas over on the Stamps of Life gallery website. All right, the first thing that is included with this Birthday Wishes Scalloped Edge A2 card, that's a mouthful, you get several sheets of stickers, 5 sheets of these, so that's amazing. Then you get this awesome stamp set. It says, "Your birthday is a celebration of the wonderful person you are. May your day be filled with as much joy as you bring to others. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. Celebrating you today and always. Happy birthday, dear friend, and enjoy every moment." Now here is the actual die set that it comes with, and you can see here it comes with tons of dies. So you get the actual card base, then you get the layering pieces, so you get that scalloped edge layer, you get the inside layer, then you get different items to cut out of your card. You can cut out the word happy, there's stars, there's circles, there's little flowers, and then also warm birthday wishes. And then this one comes with a Stamps of Life magnetic sheet, I believe. Double check the website to be sure, which are absolutely amazing. So here's the samples that I made. So this one I used the scalloped edge card, and I used the birthday wishes set that came in there, and then also I stamped one of the sentiments from the stamp set inside. So super fast, super easy with that one. This next one, if I can get a hold of it here, I used the stamp set on the outside of the card. So celebrating you today and always, happy birthday, dear friend. So I love that, and I used a couple of the little flowers that came with it as well. This one I cut some circles on the edge, and I also used that birthday wishes die that came with it, but you can see here how I used the circles to outline the scallop, and then I used one of the stamp sets on the inside of the card. And then this one might be my favorite. I used that happy die to it cuts out of the pattern paper there, and then I layered some glitter paper behind there. So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but this one turned out really pretty. And then I stamped one of the sentiments from the stamp set on the inside of the card. So as you're watching, take note and let me know at the end of this video which set is your favorite and also which card is your favorite. Now this one I have a feeling is going to be popular. This one is the Koala Tree Folded Card Die Set. So it makes a shaped card. Again, it's got the little scan me button and some ideas here, but there's more ideas in the gallery. This one comes with the Koala Folded, so you can make a shaped card. And it has some little layering pieces that you can use here for the leaves. It's got the outside die, the inside die. You can paper piece this one. And then it comes with these koalas with some more little branches, and then also a stamp set. So this one says, "You are unforgettable. You are very sweet. You are a quality friend, and I love all your qualities." So you get a lot with this one, and the koala bears, Stamps of Life has a set of koala bears on the Stamps of Life website, so this would coordinate very well with that. All right, let me show you my samples that I made using this set. So here we've got the koala folded. Let me adjust my camera. I'm sorry, it was a little tilted here. So we've got the koala bear shaped as a folded, and I put some little felt flowers on here, some googly eyes, and I used one of the cute little stamp sets that came in the set. So basically how I made this one is I paper pieced it, so I cut it out of several different layers. Now this one I love. So this one I put on a different card base, so you can see here how that works, and I love that green pattern paper. It just kind of makes it look like he's really, in the trees and stuff. Again, I used googly eyes. I like when you use googly eyes on the little critters. And then this one, I used the stamp and die set that was included along to stamp. And I colored this up with my Spectrum Noir alcohol markers. So you can use it that way. And then I also, on this one, now this one I used that scalloped edge die, which you can see. I used a stencil that's coming up in just a moment. And then I used a wobble. So I'm not hitting it here correctly. Let me kind of tap the top of it and it will wobble better. So you can see, isn't that cute? And it kind of looks like he's holding the little branch there. So I thought that was fun. And then nothing on the inside. You could just write your message there, but I think that's super cute. So that's a look at all of those that I made with the koala set. All right, now let's look at the next set. Now this one, it says, "You're the Sweetest Family Word Die Set." So this one is so versatile, and this is definitely a must-have. Here's some ideas, but this one comes with a ton of word dies. So basically, every family member that you can think of is going to be covered with this set. So you've got "You're the Sweetest," you've got mom, dad, sister, uncle, you've got the words in-law, so you could say mom-in-law, daughter-in-law. You've got uncle, brother, niece, grandma, grandpa, you name it, it is included in this set. So this is definitely a must-have. All right, so let me show you the samples of this one. You get two, so you can see here, you get 2 sheets of dies, so lots included with this one. Now let me show you the samples that I made with this set. So I've got this one. I used one of the fold-its from the Stencil Life website, and then I supplemented it with one of the stamp sets. So this one I added "You're the Best" to the front, and I used that word die set, "Mom-in-law." Super easy there. And then this next one, I added one of the koalas to a card and have "Grandpa." And I used one of the stamp sets from the other one. So you can see how all of these mix and match and coordinate together. I love this one. "Blessed to be your grandma." And I just used to cut a piece of pattern paper in half there and then use cardstock. Super easy, but it's just so fun. And let's see here. Oh, I definitely recommend the adhesive sheets for these words. So that way you can stick them easily and no glue will seep out. Now this one I used another fold-it from the Stencil Life website, a little basket, and I have "You're the Sweetest." I love that one. Okay, now this next set I have a feeling is probably going to sell out because I've never seen the Stencil Life make anything like this. Check this out. It is a binder for your stencils, and then it comes with 10 different stencils. So let's see here. Let me measure this for you. And you can kind of see the measurements on here. It's large, and it is large enough to hold all of the Stencil Life stencils. So this is a great purchase to have that you can keep your stencils in. Now the sticker came separate, and it came with it. And I just stuck that on the front. And then I actually added some pattern paper in here, or some cardstock, so you could see the stencil. So we have a heart stencil. Then we have like this line stencil. And then this really pretty design here. And now these next ones are layered. So you can see here in the corner, there's like that little star. And so that's how you'll know that these go together. But this makes flowers. So there's 1, 2, 3 with this set. So it's a flower, the leaves, and then the inside of the flower. Now this one has like a different design. So this one we'll know, these are like hexagons, so we'll know these go together. So that's 1, 2, 3, I think there's 4 in this one. But it makes a really pretty butterfly. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So 4 in this one. So I love these layered stencils. They are so fun. And then you can see here, there's tons of extra pages. I put cardstock in some of them, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going forever here. So there's even more pages that I didn't put cardstock in. So this is definitely a must-have. Okay, so let's look at the cards. So this one, I used that 4-layer butterfly stencil, which I hope you can see it here on the camera. Oh, I just think it's so pretty. And then this one, I used the A2 rectangle gift card fold-it here. So I made it into a gift card holder. So that's an idea. And then this next one here, oh, I love this one. This one was a set that was available on HSN, this Hello die or card die. And you can see here, here's the stenciling for that flower one. Super pretty. I think this one might be my favorite. I say that on all of them. I think they're all my favorite. Okay, and then on this next one here, I used like those little lines, and I also used that You're the Sweetest word die from that other set, and I used the strawberry fold it, and I thought that turned out really cute too. I think that's super sweet. And then I used one of the stamp sets. And then this last one, I love this one too. I used a slimline, and I used the heart stencil here. And then remember the embellishment kit that came out in the last HSN Craft Day? I used those little bows on here. I think that sold out pretty fast. So if you see something, grab it. These items usually sell out pretty quickly. So that is a look at all of my cards that I have made today. So if you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Here's just another quick look at all of the cards I made. Be sure to scan the little UPC code when you get your order, because if you're stuck and needing some inspiration, it will take you right over to the Stamps of Life gallery where there'll be ideas, and then you can also post your creations in that gallery to inspire others as well. So it's a wonderful feature, and it's, you know, there's not a lot of websites out there that are like that. It's one of my favorite features about the Stamps of Life website. And then if you're interested in joining any of the Stamps of Life clubs while you're on the website, you can use my name, Melissa M, and you can earn 500 bonus club points, which converts to money to spend in the Stamps of Life store. If you have any questions on any of these items or anything about the clubs on the Stamps of Life website, leave it down below and I will get back with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!